Tier suppliers and aftermarket manufacturers play a vital role in the automotive supply chain, delivering high-quality components to OEMs, distributors, and service networks. Success in this fast-paced industry depends on precision manufacturing, efficient inventory management, on-time deliveries, and complete supply chain visibility. PMTechERP is a comprehensive ERP solution designed to streamline every aspect of tier supplier and aftermarket operations, helping businesses improve efficiency, quality, and profitability. With PMTechERP, every business process is integrated into a single intelligent platform. From customer inquiries and supplier management to procurement, production planning, inventory control, quality inspection, sales, dispatch, and financial management, every department works together seamlessly. This eliminates manual processes, improves collaboration, and ensures smooth day-to-day operations. Manage complex production schedules with advanced planning tools, monitor work orders in real time, and optimize machine utilization to maximize productivity. Intelligent inventory management provides complete visibility into raw materials, work in progress,